All right, guys, here are some of the videos and the channels I watch all the time as a guy over 50. Whether you agree or not, I'm just throwing it out there. That's what YouTube and information's about. There's a whole bunch of it. Grab what you can. If it works for you, try it out. Keep the stuff that works, get rid of the stuff that doesn't. Life After 50, like and subscribe, and get out and walk. Okay guys, the next video is Thomas DeLauer. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. He's more of a big buff guy and he used to be really heavy, but he's more about food and exercise, but really he gets into the scientific stuff too. So let's check him out.
We don't even ask people how to fix it. It's one of those things, like, we can talk about our love handles, we can talk about belly fat and stuff like that, but when it comes down to chest fat and storing fat in this region, like under the armpit, it honestly is just embarrassing. It's hard to ever even talk about it. It's unsightly and we just want to get rid of it. So I'm going to give you 8 ways to reduce that chest fat. Okay, I'm going to be talking nutritionally, I'm going to be talking hormonally, and I'm going to be talking a little bit exercise-based. Because there are ways that you can reduce the overall appearance of it, which therefore changes the entire shape of your upper body. If you can lean out the chest region just a little bit, you'd be amazed at how much your upper body changes overall.
Actually, I've been watching this video in the last few days. I go over stuff a couple times too. I'll listen to it in the background, and then if it sounds good to me, I'll go back to it and really dig into it. I don't want big, bulky chest. I don't want a pointy chest, obviously the man boobs. I'm trying to get trim, cut. So it's a whole complicated thing, but I looked up videos on how to reduce, flatten the chest. I'm not trying to get all bulky like some guys. I'd rather have nice arms and more of a flat chest. So that's why I'm watching this video. I'll watch his video. I'll watch 10 other videos and I'll take the best from it, apply it. I actually found a few exercises I'm going to try probably tonight, as opposed to push-ups, because I feel push-ups just push you up like that. This is why I was watching this video. Let's check out another video.
Okay, they eat a bunch of rice, a bunch of carbohydrates, a bunch of soy. Why is the Japanese diet so good when it comes down to longevity? I mean, we have to look at sheer data here, right? The average life expectancy in the United States is 78.1 years old. The average life expectancy in Japan is 84.3 years old. Okay, but life expectancy...
Well, that's enough for me right there to get me into the rest of the video. This is one I haven't seen. There's 2 reasons I'd watch this video, one about carbs and one about longevity. Like I say, I'm not trying to get ripped abs at 56 years old, all right? I'm just trying to be able to still walk up the stairs without huffing and puffing and still get one of these, you know what I'm saying? Naturally, without pills or TRT. Again, I'm all natural. Let's see what they have to say about him on, I guess, the wiki pages or something like that, and then we'll be done. All right, guys, here's some of his bio. You can look it up on the internet for yourself. Over 2 million subscribers. And so anyway, get out there and walk. HealthyLifeAfter50.com. Research, research, research. Try things, see if they work for you. If they do, stick with them. If they don't, they gots to go.